Today Samata will narrate incidents of land scam in South 24 Parganas not far from the heart of the city. Bhangur in South 24 Parganas is only about 45 kilometers away from Sandesh Khali, which has been in the news for the alleged criminalities of TMC musclemen Sheikh Shahjahan, Uttam Sardar and Shibu Hajra. One of the primary allegations against these TMC goons is land grab from the poor and the marginalized people of the riverine island. What happened in neighboring Bhangur is even more disquieting and far more brazen. During the period the country was locked down, the chief minister's brother, almost overnight, became the owner of a large parcel of land. The West Bengal government proposes to set up Sector 6 Bantola Industrial Township in Bhangur Block 1. For this purpose land will be acquired in this area for building the township. The chief minister's brother has bought land here in the same moja where the government is going to acquire land. Not only he, the now jailed education minister, Partha Chatterjee, who was also the Secretary General of TMC, has bought land in the same moja. Why were the chief minister's brother, TMC ministers and other TMC leaders so eager to buy land in the same moja of Bhangur Block 1? Is it because they were aware of the government's plan of building an industrial township? Is this why all TMC leaders were acquiring land, water bodies and even marshy land in Bhangur, by hook or by crook? Andalgeri Moja has been designated for the mega city project. And in this moja the chief minister's brother, Samir Banerjee aka Karthik, has bought 10 quarters of land. According to government documents, Samir Babu bought the land in July 2021, immediately after TMC came to power for the third term. And there is a big but. In December 2021 his wife contested in the Kolkata Municipal Corporation elections. In the affidavit that she submitted to the State Election Commission she made no mention of this property. Though the documents available with the Department of Land and Land Reforms says that Samir Banerjee had registered his 10 quarters of land that he bought in Andalgeri Moja in Bhangur on the 30th of July 2021. Who sold the land to Samir Babu? According to government documents, the seller of this parcel of land is none other than the authoritative TMC leader and land mafia Gautam Mandal and the buyer is Karthik Banerjee. The plot number of this land is 00735 and Khatiang number is 00422. Another intriguing incident happened last year in April. In an open field in Bhangur, partially burnt documents were discovered one morning. CBI is looking into this episode. Interestingly, this bonfire was held in the field adjacent to the land parcel belonging to the chief minister's brother. What documents were being burnt? Who were burning them? Why were they burning the documents? Who was trying to destroy evidence? Many questions but all unanswered. Now what is the scam brewing in Bhangur? Here influential people with bags of money are buying land from the poor cultivators and landowners at a throwaway price. Once the government sets the ball rolling for land acquisition for the industrial township, these landowners would demand and get a high compensation package in exchange for the land. Powered by Dubwas, this announcement of a mega city being built by the government has enlivened the TMC rank and file, land sharks and land mafias. The opportunity of making a huge amount of money has cheered them up. Powered by Dubwas. As a result, bigha after bigha of agricultural land, water bodies, and land distributed through Patta are being burgled. The matter does not end here. As one explores further, more and more grim details stare at one's face. Makhal Tola village in Tarda is an Adivasi-dominated village with 95 families living here. In this village alone, TMC land mafias have seized more than 200 bighas of land. The main player is the Deputy Pradhan of the TMC Gram Panchayat Rakesh Roy Chowdhury. Any villager who denies to part with his land is beaten up and tortured and forced to part with his land. Sometimes they are given a tiny amount in exchange, but most of the time the land is just grabbed from them. Though land belonging to the Adivasis cannot be transferred, they are forced to give up their land. With their land taken away forcefully from them, these poor marginalized people are left with no source of earning and are compelled to migrate to Kolkata or to far-off states to earn their living. Land grab by the land mafias of TMC is another reason for the high rate of migration from the state. Lakhs of landless marginalized agricultural laborers were given land by the left front government during the land reforms movement. These small pieces of land had helped these poor people to sustain themselves and their families. It helped them to educate their children and set them off to achieve their goals. Powered by Dubwas, while the poor suffered, even a low-rung TMC leader has become the owner of crows. The TMC land sharks are not sparing even the West Calcutta wetlands that are included in the Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance. It is important to educate the common people about these nefarious activities of the TMC and its Bahubalis. Instead of the people becoming economically and financially self-reliant, with each passing day the people of West Bengal are becoming poorer and more dependent on government welfare schemes or are migrating to far-off places. West Bengal is a story of reverse development.